Today, we compare the Nothing Phone 3A with the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, covering every key specification briefly. Dimensions: both devices measure 163.5 by 77.5 by 8.4 millimeters. However, in weight, the Nothing Phone weighs 201 grams, making it slightly lighter, while the Nothing Phone 3A Pro tips the scales at 211 grams. Build: both models feature an aluminum frame with a glass front and back, delivering a sleek and modern design that exemplifies Nothing's minimalist aesthetic. Water resistant: each phone is rated IP64, providing adequate protection against dust and water splashes for everyday use. Display type: both devices come equipped with a 6.77-inch AMOLED display that supports 1 billion colors and runs at a 120 Hz refresh rate. This ensures smooth visuals and vibrant colors on either model. Max brightness: both the Nothing Phone 3A and the 3A Pro offer a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Display resolution: each device delivers a clear and sharp display with a resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels, providing an immersive viewing experience. Screen size: the screen size is identical on both models at 6.77 inches, offering a consistent and engaging display experience. Screen-to-body ratio: both phones offer a high screen-to-body ratio of approximately 87%, ensuring that the display occupies most of the front surface for an edge-to-edge feel. Display protection: both models are protected by Gorilla Glass. Although specific protection details are not provided, they both offer reliable durability against everyday wear and tear. Back cover material: the Nothing Phone 3A and the 3A Pro both feature a glass back, contributing to their premium look and feel. Software/OS: they both run on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3, delivering the latest features and a clean, user-friendly interface that is characteristic of Nothing's design philosophy. CPU and performance: under the hood, both phones are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, with speeds of up to 2.5 GHz. This chipset ensures efficient performance for day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and moderate gaming. RAM: both models offer RAM options of either 8 GB or 12 GB, catering to different user needs. The availability of multiple configurations ensures smooth multitasking and reliable performance. Chipset: both devices utilize the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, providing a balanced mix of performance and energy efficiency. GPU: for graphics, both phones are equipped with the Qualcomm Adreno 810 GPU, running at 1.05 GHz. This ensures smooth rendering and an excellent gaming experience. Storage options: storage configurations are identical on both models, with options for 128 GB and 256 GB. Although they do not support expandable storage via microSD cards, the available storage is ample for apps, media, and files. Charging: both the Nothing Phone 3A and the 3A Pro support 50 watts wired charging, ensuring rapid battery replenishment for quick turnarounds throughout the day. Battery performance: each phone houses a 5000 mAh battery, which can deliver up to approximately 26 hours of YouTube playback. This provides substantial battery endurance for regular usage. Main camera: the camera setups differentiate the two models. The Nothing Phone 3A features a dual camera setup with a 50MP main sensor equipped with optical image stabilization and phase detection autofocus, paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens. In contrast, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro steps up the photography game with a triple camera arrangement. It retains the 50MP main sensor and the 8MP ultra-wide lens, but adds a 50MP periscope telephoto lens that offers 3x optical zoom, providing enhanced photographic versatility. Camera zoom: while the Nothing Phone 3A relies on digital zoom only, the 3A Pro benefits from its periscope telephoto lens that provides up to 3x optical zoom, ensuring more natural zoomed-in images. Video recording. Both devices support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, enabling high-quality video capture for everyday recording needs. Selfie camera. For front-facing photography, the Nothing Phone 3 features a 32MP front camera, delivering clear and vibrant selfies. The Nothing Phone 3 Pro enhances this further with a 50MP front camera, promising even greater detail and quality in selfies and video calls. Network. Connectivity is robust on both models, as they both support 5G connectivity, ensuring fast data speeds and reliable network performance. USB port. Both devices come equipped with a USB Type-C port, allowing for efficient charging and data transfer. Price. Price-wise, the Nothing Phone 3 is positioned as a very attractive option at around $379, while the Nothing Phone 3 Pro, with its additional camera features and enhanced selfie performance, is priced slightly higher at approximately $459. Conclusion. In summary, both the Nothing Phone 3 and the Nothing Phone 3 Pro offer a sleek design, robust performance, and vibrant displays with nearly identical core specifications. The main differences lie in the camera systems. The Pro model boasts an extra periscope telephoto lens and a higher resolution front camera, and a slight increase in weight and price. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize enhanced photography and a more premium front camera, as seen in the 3 Pro, or if you prefer the excellent value and solid performance of the Nothing Phone 3. Thank you for joining this comparison. Choose the device that best fits your needs, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and comparisons in future projects.